Hello my dear kids, I welcome you in math session. So again I am here with the explanation of exercise 6.7. Children, open page number 84. I hope you all must have practiced how to find the LCM and HCF both. Now we will see exercise 6.7. That means we will now learn how to do the word problems related to HCF and LCM. See question number 1 of exercise 6.7. Find the greatest number of 6 digit which is exactly divisible by 8, 16 and 24. You have to find that greatest number. So, before you start the work, mention exercise number and date. So, the first question, now see the solution of it. We will be finding the LCM of 8, 16 and 24. You know how to find? By any method you can find. I am finding out by simple division method. By 2. 2 4s are 8, 2 8s are 16, 2 12s are. Then again we can divide them by 2. 2 2s are, 2 4s are and 2 6 are. Now again by 2. 2 1s are, 2 2s are and 2 3s are. Now see, these are the common ones. In the LCM we write all 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. That means these remaining one also. Now just find the product. You will get 48 as LCM. Now see, according to the question, you have to find the 6 digit greatest number. That will be 99999. 9,99,999. Now, we will be dividing this 6 digit greatest number by this LCM. Divide this obtained number by 48. You know how to do the division. Let's see. 48 2s is 96. Now subtract it. You will get 3 and this 9. Now see, 39 is smaller than this divisor. So we will place 0 and one more 9 we will copy down. Now it will go by 8 times. 48 into 8, what you will get? 384. Now subtract it, you get 5 and 1. Now next 9 will come down. Now it will go by 3. 48 3s is 144. And you subtract it, you will get again 15. Now last one 9, you will copy down. Again it will go by 3. Now what is left? 15. Now children see, this is a remainder. Now you have to find that greatest 6 digit number which can exactly divide these 3 numbers. Now to find the required number, what you will do? The 6 digit number. From the 6 digit number, you will subtract 15. So, you will get 9999984. This is your answer. So, at last what we can write? Therefore, 9,99,984 is the greatest 6 digit number which is exactly divisible by 8, 16 and 24. Children, question number 2 is same. You will be doing yourself. Now see question number 3. Find the greatest 5 digit number which leaves a remainder of 7 when divided by 18, 24 and 36. The process of this is same. Only in the end what you will do? This remainder, whatever is remaining, you will add it in the end. Now see, you can find the LCM by any method. I am doing by simple division method. 2 9s are, 2 12s are 24 and 2 18s are. Again we can divide by 2. This same we will copy down. 2 6s are and 2 9s are. Now see, all can be divided by 3. 3 3s are, 3 2s are 6 and 3 3s are 9. Again by 3, 1 1 and in between same number 2. Now the LCM can be 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 and this remaining 2 also. So when you multiply, what you get? You will getting 72. Now what you will be doing in the question, it is asked the greatest 5-digit number. So write the greatest 5-digit number is 99,999. Now we will be dividing this 5-digit greatest number by the LCM of obtained digits. That will be 72. Now you know how to divide. 99999 when you divide by 72. Now see, 2 digits we can take. Ones are 72, ones are 72. Subtract it, what you get? 27. Now we will copy down this 9. Now children, in the rough side you can do the multiplication. Like if we multiply by 3, what we get? 216. If we multiply it by 4, we will get 288. It is more than, so we will divide it by thrice. 216. Now subtract it. 360. Now again this 9 will copy down. Now it has become 639. Now if we multiply 72 by 8, we get 576. Now multiply 72 by 9, we get 648. This is more than, so we will multiply it by 8. Sorry, divide it by 8. It will be 576. Now subtract it. What is left? 3 and again 6 and the last 9 we will copy down. Now see again by 8, 576 and 360. 63 is our remainder. Now what we have to do? Find the required number. So how we will do? As we had done earlier from the asked digit. That means in that question it was our greatest 6 digit. In this question we have to find with the greatest 5-digit number and minus this remainder. Now children, in the question the 7 remainder is given, that we will add it here. So when you subtract, you will get 99936 plus 7. So you will get 99943. This is your answer. So children, now question number 4 is same. You will be doing yourself. Now see question 5 children. Find the greatest number that divides 1036, 347, 633, leaving the remainders 1, 2, 3 respectively. अब 3 different remainders are given. तो हम इसको starting में ही इसमें से subtract कर देंगे. Children, one thing I want to tell you. By reading the question, you have to find out that either we have to find HCF or LCM. Like in the question 1 to 4, they were asking the greatest number of 6 digits. That means we have to find the LCM. But in question number 5, 6, what they are asking? Find the greatest number that can divide these numbers by leaving the given remainders. So in these type of question, we will be finding out the HCF. So we have to find the HCF of 1036. But what is the remainder for this? 1. So we will subtract this 1 from this number. Then the second digit is 347. And the remainder for this is 2. And the third digit is 633. And for this the remainder is 3. So the HCF, you have to find the HCF of, when you subtract this 1 from 1036, we get 1035. Subtract this 2, so we will get 345 and the last digit will be 630. So by HCF, by any method you can find 1035, 345 and 630. Now see, all the numbers containing 0 or 5 on the unit place, they can be divisible by 5. 5 207s are, 5 69s are, 5 126 are. Now see, all the numbers are not even, not odd. So you check it by 2, only one number we can divide. But in HCF, we have to find the common divisible. So we will be dividing it by 3. 3 69s are, 3 23s are and 3 42s are. Now these numbers do not have common divisible, so leave them as it is. So the HCF of 1035, 345 and 630 is only these two common divisible. That will be 5 into 3. So the answer is 15. This is our answer. Question number 6 you will be doing yourself. Now see the next question number 7. Determine the smallest 5-digit number exactly divisible by 8, 15 and 24. Now in this question, you have to find that smallest 5-digit number which can be exactly divided 8, 15 and 24. तो इसमें भी हम क्या find करेंगे? LCM. Now the solution of 7. Find the LCM of 8, 15, 24. Again I tell you, you can use any method. 8, 15 and 24. I am doing by simple division method. By 2, 2 4s are this 15 same, then 12. Then again by 2, 2 2s are 15, then 6. Now by 3, 2, 3 5s are 15 and 2. Now again by 2, 2 1s are, then 5 same, 2 1s are. Now LCM will be 2 into 2 into 3 into 2 and this remaining 5 as well. So you will be getting 120. When you multiply, you will get this LCM. Now you have to write the smallest 5-digit number. Children, see, अभी हमने greatest का किया था in question number 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we are doing for smallest 5-digit number. So for smallest 5-digit number, you know, 1 and 4 times 0, 10,000. Now divide this 10,000, the process is same, by 120. Children, see, when you will divide this number by 120, you will get 83 as quotient and remainder 40. Okay children, the process till here is same for smallest and for greatest 5-digit number. See children, now to find the required number. If it is asked for the greatest number, I just turn the page, see the question number 1. तो हमने क्या किया था, जो रिमाइंडर आया था we had subtracted it and that will be the final answer. But in this type of question, what we do? First we write that number 10,000. First we subtract the LCM 120. Sorry, this we will add 120 we will add, or same process, the remainder we will subtract. So it will be 10,080. This is the answer. Now children, see question number 8. Determine the length of the longest tape that can be used to measure exactly the dimensions of a hall of dimensions 14 meter, 25 centimeter, 5 meter, 50 centimeter and 6 meter. And the hint is given, convert meter and centimeter into centimeter. Children, remember, if hint is not given, then also in any of the question in maths, 2 units are given. So you will just convert them in any of the 1 unit and then you just solve it. So in this question you have to find the longest length of the tape which can exactly measure the dimensions of these. See, these are the dimensions given. You know 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So if we convert these 14 meter 25 centimeter, you know this 14 will be multiplied by 100, it will become 1400 plus 25. So it will become 1425 centimeter, then it will become 550 centimeter and this 6 meter will become 600 centimeter. Now you have to find the HCF of 1425, 550 and 600. Again I tell you, you can do by any of the method. This is 550 and 600. So we can divide by 5, you get 285, then 110, then 120. Again we can divide them by 5. 57, then 22, then 24. In HCF, children, remember, we take only the common ones. Now, no other divisor we have which can divide these all three numbers. So, the HCF will be, therefore, HCF, or you can say the longest measurement of tape will be 5 into 5. Answer is 25 centimeter. Now, see question number 9, children. What is the largest number of students among whom 108 chocolates and 180 cookies can be equally distributed? This is same as we had done question number 8. In that we have to find the longest tape. In this we have to find the largest number of students. So what we will find? We will find HCF. And it has B part also. How many chocolates and cookies will each student get? So children, we will find the HCF of 108 and 180. By 2, it will become 54 and 90. Then again by 2, 27 and 45. Now both can be divided by 3. 3 9s and 3 15s. Again by 3. 3 3s and 3 5s. For HCF, we need the common ones. So, the HCF will be 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. The answer will be 36. So, the A part is completed. So, among 36 students, it can be distributed. Now see the B part. Chocolates, each will get, how many total chocolates are there? 108, and among 36 students we have to divide. So each will get 3 chocolates. Cookies, each will get, how many cookies were there? 180 divided by 36. So that means 5 cookies. So these are our answers. 3 answers we get from this question, 36 students. And for B part, each child will get 3 chocolates and 5 cookies. Children, question number 10 is same. You will be doing yourself. And question number 11 is cut. So children, once again I repeat, question number 1, I have solved for you question 3, question 5, question 7, question 8 and question 9. The remaining parts I have given in your homework. You try yourself. This exercise do in copy. Thank you.